Hey friends, if you wish to download and install the Bitdefender free antivirus on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So all we need to do is search for it on the Google or Bing search bar, and then you'll find the Bitdefender free antivirus software for Windows. Or you won't find it on the Microsoft Store. So go to this link and click on free download for Windows. Okay, it needs a while to load, and then it will try proposing you the option for the paid plan. Ignore it. It will straight away download the exe file. Just open it and wait for a few seconds. It will install the Bitdefender antivirus on your computer. It will need like 10 to 15 seconds depending upon the speed of the internet on your computer. And once it installs, it will be done. Okay, it is still installing. As you can see, we have that progress mark here. So once it is installed, you will be able to access it from the tab. Now it is downloading it, and it will just complete it in a while. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.